right up here on this panel?
That chubby guy's just here to fool us. This one group here, pick 3.
All right. Will the real wing bowl champion please stand up? Right now, I want to meet these folks. Number 2, what is your name and what do you do?
Actually, I am not a competitive eater, but I did lose 130 pounds in 2 years.
Wow! Congratulations, bro. That's a big feat right there, baby. Congratulations. Number 3, what's your name and what is it that you do for a living?
My name is Conrad Pratt, and I am a server. I serve chicken wings as a living.
And now, number 1, what is your name?
My name is Molly Schuyler. I am the #1 female independent eater in the world, and Air Force wife of 20.
All right. Let's look at your footage in action. Now, here you are, eating 363 chicken wings, setting the wing bowl record. You ate all of that? Wow. All right, when we come back, we got a guy who was struck by lightning twice. Coming up on To Tell the Truth.
How do you feel about overweight?
Oh, don't start none.
And later.
I am the original voice of Siri.
The only question I ever really want to ask Siri is, where is my damn phone?